Hi everyone, today we're going to be drilling to the firewall to hook up the wiring harness for the ECU. So the harness has a plug, the wire to go to the firewall, and we want to wrap it in the hole that matches that plug so it's nice and sealed once it's in there. And this is the part that's going to go inside of the car. So I figure we're going to drill right through here, and that should come out inside and right in the middle. We picked that spot so later on it doesn't interrupt like AC stuff going through, and it's away from the headers. Okay, so the harness should come out over there and the ECU should be mounted over here, and then one day we're probably gonna build a nice panel around it so you cannot see it. Okay, so first we need to mark it where I'm going to cut it. Okay, so now we're going to drill a pilot hole